Hey guys, welcome back. Welcome back to another video. This is Raja. In this video, we are going to look at the stock Tesla weekly update. I'm doing this weekly update for last few weeks now in a row. So this stock is added to the tracker back in November. Since then, it's posted almost 100% gain, and it gave up quite a bit. And as of today, it is posting almost 75% gain. So let's look at the chart and what went on last week and where this stock can go from here. Depending upon the situation, we will see whether this stock is still a buy or a sell or a hold, and we can also look at a couple of options depending upon the situation again. So without any further delay, let's get started. And before we move on, this is our website. Please check it out when you get a chance. All the informations are out there and recorded there. And please check out all our social media sites for the alerts. And please do not forget to now subscribe to the channel. I'll be doing a lot more videos on this stock and many stocks in coming days and weeks. So you guys are looking at the website tracker for Tesla. It's added to the tracker back in 11/17 when it was trading around $441, and as of today it's closed well over $781, and it's posting almost 76% gain since then. At the peak it was posting almost 100% gain because it was trading around 910 or 925, something like that, and it came down quite a bit, and the stop loss was around 406, which was never in danger. So this stock is now kept on in open position since then. And last week it's offered on a secondary entry point around 816 to 856, and the stop loss is around 750. It closed well below $800, but still didn't hit the stop loss yet. So you might be having a little bit loss if you bought it in a secondary entry point, but still it's not hit the stop loss yet. So let's look at the chart and see what went on last week. So you guys are looking at the stock software TC2000 that I use, and the indicator that I follow is the 10-week moving average and 50-week moving average, and the 25-week moving average for intermediate line. If the line between the 50 and the 10-week is so huge, you may want to go with some 25-week moving average, such as a stock like AMD. If you look at AMD, that's a classic example. You look at the 10-week is now over here, and your 50-week is over here. So the 25-week give you kind of intermediate point for short-term trading. So you can use it whenever you want. So let's get back to Tesla. You are looking at the weekly settings, and I use the weekly setting for short-term trading anywhere between a week to 3 months. So it can give you some kind of clear picture for short-term trading and eliminate a lot of daily noise. So if you look at here, the stock gave up a lot of gain, almost 5% gain last week. It came under severe shelling pressure as the price point wise, but if you look at the volume, it's still low, which is a good sign. So as of now, it found support at its 50-week moving average. So I would say this stock still a buy, or you can take do not go very aggressive, just hang tight. If you want to take a small position, that'd be fine. It found a classic the 10-week moving average support. The last time it found support, it is around November time frame, and after that it's almost doubled. So it's pretty much getting at the 10-week key moving average price level support. So I believe that it might consolidate around here. If you look at the last time, it's almost consolidated for 3 months before it resumed the move, and as of now it's going to be 2 months. So it might rally from here, or it might stall here for a couple more weeks. I don't know yet, but that is my take. So as of now, I would say this stock is still a buy, and you can start with a small pilot buy. Do not go overblown. Once it's crossed around 850 or something like that, or make a new high, you can add more. And as of now, this stock is still a buy, and take a small position and see what it's going to yield in coming weeks. As far as the options is concerned, you can still look at the calls. I think last week I talked about March calls, but they gave up pretty much trashed because of that huge sell-off happened in last week. So for March, you're looking at least next 2 to 3 weeks. So it kind of in the risky position. So if you want, you can look at April call. and I will still go with anything above 1000 because they are reasonably priced, and even I will go with 1100, which is below $10. So I'll be looking at this call, which is trading around 70 or 80 at some point, and now it came down to $8. It does not mean that it's cheap or attractive, but if the stocks moves next couple of weeks sideways, this might give up more. So just take a small position for now and see what it's going to yield. You can always add more when the stocks goes up. Okay guys, thank you for watching this quick video. As of now, Tesla is still a buy, and let's see what will happen next week, and I will update with another video. Until then, please check out all the social media sites for all alerts, and look at our website for all the information, and I will put the tracker link in the description section of the video, so you can see the the performance of the stock. At the end of the day, it will be updated with the stock closing price, so you and me measure the performance of the stock. And please subscribe to the channel. I'll be doing a lot more videos on this stock and many stocks in coming days. I will see you guys in another video relatively very shortly. Until then, have rest of the weekend just enjoy. Thank you.